Bro, from our culture, it is expected that you need to have a side piece.
Why, Davian?
In our culture, if you don't have a side piece, something is wrong with you.
No.
Tonyo,
No,
don't look
David.
at me and tell me, say, yo, if you go to your bridging them and say, yo, man, they not ask, say, you know, where's your girlfriend? Them say, how much girl you have? How much? How much?
Is an expectation, yes.
It's a cultural expectation. And,
But
hold on now. And on the other side, the women, sometimes, them expect you to have multiple women as well.
I will agree with that part. And one thing is that I've had experiences where, for example, a girl will not want you if she see that other girls don't want you.